Like,
Ay, natuwa.
hi.
Yes, Mr. B. Hello. Yes, Mr. B.
Hi. Ay. Like,
Ay, natuwa.
hi.
Yes, Mr. B. Hello.
I'm in the studio.
Hello. Wow. Congrats sa bagong speak song.
There's two. I'm with
Ito pala.
Louis. Hey, Louis, that's Katrina. That's little Eddie.
Nice to meet you.
W. Of course, Uncle Joe.
Hello.
And that's Choco.
Hey, what's up, Uncle Joe?
You English kasi US ka?
Yeah,
You English.
you.
You English Don't speak Tagalog.
Sakit na alam na ang sikip ng girdle ko, guys.
Did you have a press con today?
Press con saan? Taping yun, Chris.
Oh, that's a tape.
Press con sa taping.
Ah, okay.
Sorry. You answer English na?
That coffee's good.
Hoy, Chris!
I know.
Ayan na naman na. Nung sabi ko sa'yo dun ay, meron.
Sa ano?
Mami, may magsabi na naman sa akin mabaho yung hininga ko.
Amoy gatas yung hininga mo. Kasi ginagawa mo yun sa akin. Kaya ginawa ko lang sa'yo.
Lungat.
Guys,
Guys, kasi
wait. Amoy gatas yung hininga ni Chiki. Okay? Amoy gatas. Amoy baby.
There's stuff out there and stuff like that.
Lungat ba yan,
kahit lang toothbrush, amoy gata. Sorry. Amoy gata sa bulok.
Lungat.
Yeah, because they open creation.
Kasi- Dahil kasi parang nagawa ng Mr. B.
They open up.
Mga ganun. Ako kasi joke kasi yun. Ako, gumaganon ako. Joke lang yun. So, may nag-comment sa akin na, Miss B, pa-check ka sa dentist kasi yung veneers daw, nakakabaho daw ng breath. Parang hindi naman mabaho yung hininga ko.
Hindi naman mabaho, Chek. Hindi mo... Guys, hindi mabaho yung
At
hininga
saka,
niyo. Okay?
At saka may nagagalit, nag-burp daw ako sa harapan mo. Ikaw nga umutot sa mukha ako eh.
Guys, lambing niya yun. That's her lambing.
Pati yung utot sa mukha ko.
Oh, that's super lambing.
Ay, grabe. Guys, yung burp, huwag kayong magagalit kasi gustong-gusto niya yung burp.
I think it's cute. Ako nakikita na kapag nag-burp ka.
Siya sa burp. Ay, ka daw tumatak burp daw ako.
Ha?
Natakot ka daw sa burp. Tumatak daw pag nag-burp ako.
Ah.
Kasi, nakakatawa kasi parang palaka, di ba?
Ako, huwag mo na silang isipin. Di naman sila yung binaburp mo. Ako yung binaburp mo and I like it.
Kaya sinasadya ko mag-burp. Sinasadya ko mag-burp kasi cute na cute siya, guys. Di nyo lang alam, kinikilig siya sa isang tabi, nakikita ko. Ito pala gusto
Yeah, I still have to pack. I haven't even packed yet and I'm leaving as soon as I wake up for Winnipeg.
Let's get $2.
Ingat!
Yes. I like. What is that? I like you. Burp pa lang yan. Tanggal angas na agad. Burp pa lang yan. Tanggal angas? Ano ba yan? Baby, ani kaya amoy lang. Ano ba yan?
Ang dami mong ano. Ikaw,
Okay, okay.
Daming ano?
dami mong tangga nga sa bago kong post.
Anong ginawa ko?
Yeah, plus yeah.
Yung sabi mo, paano ihag? Paano ihag si Katie? Tapos hinahag kita sa'yo mo.
Tanggal angas ako?
Yeah.
Tanggal angas ako?
Wait lang.
Yeah.
Hanapin ko. Compile ko lang.
How many percent? And you already picked up your food, and it's like fast food.
It's okay.
I still
I'm willing to tanggal my angas for you.
like, I don't feel bad at that point. You know what I mean? Like, not giving, if you're not serving,
Lag.
you're not serving. You never eat that.
Hindi niya narinig. Take two ba?
Exactly. That's how I feel.
Ha?
Wala?
Tax. Yeah.
Hindi mo narinig. Wala?
No. Suspect. They tell you.
Wala?
And then be like $20. Be $20. Add.
Wala.
At London, if it's $20, it's
Ay,
Wala.
one.
Wala akong sinabi. Diba guys? Wala.
no extra. You got a lot of extra over here. Yeah, I hate that.
Wala akong sinabi.
Service some other bullshit.
You have a delivery charge, but it adds it to the total. Yeah,
Check.
that shit's like annoying. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yes.
Ganda mo kagabi.
I write that like when I pick up my own food, and then like they'll print out the receipt to have you sign because you tap or use a credit card. It says pick. I write in pick up, and then fucking total the same total and then sign. Because once you know, hey man, I picked up my fucking food and like you didn't fucking like I did not eat at your place and you fucking like served me.
Thank you.
Yeah, because otherwise you don't do that. It's the one to say.
May black na damit. Kasi hindi na bagay sa akin yung pink. Dahil mabanga ako. Nakakaloka. Back to black na ako talaga.
Fucking like.
Back na ako sa pagtatago.
Tabachoy.
Ay, sorry naman.
Ano siya?
Chick, are you gonna be on live?
Taba check.
Pa-pack up lang muna kami. Tapos stop. I'll join ulit.
Sige na.
And they added the
Okay.
Ingat na.
Okay. Bye-bye, ma.
fucking pay them.
Bye, everybody.
Ingat.
You know?
Yeah.
And plus the guy was being a dick.
Bye-bye. I'll be back. I'll be back, guys.
You kind of have to get